next best practice that we've observed is making sure that you have sort of a clear methodology and way to prioritize the updates and work that you have to do. This is important because you want to make sure that you're addressing the most urgent, most sensitive, high-risk areas that can either cause member abrasion due to errors in your directory, or could actually compromise the integrity of your network because you've got bad information on providers and your network is not as strong or doesn't meet the adequacy requirements that it needs to. So our recommendations here are multiple as well. The first thing is to focus on correcting and identifying those high-risk practitioners. So here you want to focus on practitioners who may be retired or deceased, or perhaps some have some type of disciplinary action against them that would disqualify them from being in your network. The second thing is to look at service locations. So these are offices that and locations that may be closed or may have moved. And you want to make sure that you get those cleaned out of your directory as quickly as possible. The next thing to think about is those sort of critical provider types who are in high demand. You want to keep the data particularly up to date and clean in those areas. So those would be your primary care providers and your behavioral health providers. And then last and certainly not least is focus on making sure you have good information on your providers related to health equity. So these could be things like languages spoken at the practice or the office, the patient populations that are seen, the cultural competency training that your providers have taken, or the types of procedures and treatments that are performed at that location. So make sure that you're getting that information collected and updated as well.